All right. Well, here we are, Thursday, 3 o'clock, something like that. Let's see. Oh, 2:58. I'm early.
Yes.
Whew. Welcome
right.
back. We're cooking with Grandma Tanner today, and she will be making applesauce and peach jello. And I will post that after we get done here. So, Grandma Tanner, take it away.
Yes, and this is Grandma Imogene Tanner. It's her recipe.
Ah, your sister-in-law.
Yes, my sister-in-law. So she always she has a little cookbook, and she's got some really good little recipes in there. But what I did here, I mixed 2 cups of water with 2 jellos, peach jello. And I did that ahead of time because you have to make sure that it starts to gel a little bit. So it took about almost an hour for that to gel. And in the meantime, I did cut up, it calls for 1 cup of diced peaches. So I'll put them in there.
Can you peel those?
I peeled them and diced them. And I do want to say something about the peaches. When you cut the peaches, I suppose that, oh, that is a split pit. Every once in a while you get a split pit. And then you have to take the seed out of each side. You just pop it out. I'll try another one here. This one's a little greener.
There's nothing wrong with them. They're just, the pit is...
They grew very fast. So when you get this, you cut it in half and you twist it. We canned peaches on Monday evening, and they came out beautiful. They're Coral Star.
And even if you get peaches that are mealy and you're canning them, they turn out good.
They still turn out good. Or you can slice them and put them in the freezer. And there's just all kinds of things. So anyway, I mixed these peaches in with this jello and water.
Did you make the jello according to...
It's 2 cups of water to 2 packages of jello. It's usually two cups per box. So, and then I used 1 cup of applesauce, our homemade applesauce here.
Okay.
1 cup of that.
Did you put it in already? Oh, you put it in with the jello.
I put that in with the jello and the water, and then you have to refrigerate it so it starts to gel up a little bit.
You don't want it all the way gelled. You just want it starting.
Just starting them out a little bit. Now I'm going to put a little bit of our wonderful vanilla in there.
Well, you can tell it's 3 o'clock. The employees keep coming in and out. We're in their break room.
Yeah. Okay, after you have your peaches all in there, and I did put a little bit of lemon juice on these peaches so that to keep them from turning. Now you take 1 whole container of Cool Whip. Just fold this in. This is such a nice, refreshing summer jello.
They better hurry up and make it this weekend, because come Monday, it's going to be beautiful fall weather.
Yep. We need that fall weather coming up with apple picking is starting when? Saturday?
Yep, Saturday. Saturday is August 31st, but we are opening up the U-Pick. We will only be open till 5 on Saturday, but on Sunday we'll be open 8 to 8. But the U-Pick is 10 to 5 daily, starting Saturday.
Actually, the apples bloomed a little early this year, so everything is a little early. They picked early Fuji's yesterday and Smitten.
Yep. Yeah, that's what, and they got Macintosh in too.
Yeah, they have Macintosh. So everything is just a little early, and we have Honeycrisp. So you just keep blending this jello with this Cool Whip. It's just a nice light peach color.
Yeah, you can't see it real well on the video, but it is a pretty peach.
Mm-hmm. Now I think you can put a few more peaches in there if you prefer.
Wonder if you had blueberries.
Yeah, right toward the end, otherwise it would turn it blue a little bit, but I think that would be delicious, Jenny. So I have that all mixed up with everything in it, and I have this nice bowl from my aunt auction out there in Kansas. So it's pretty old. And this will take a few hours for it to completely set up. Just makes a really nice salad bowl. Now I made one earlier, and this is it.
You can't see it. My color's not showing, but it is a really pretty peach.
It's a very pretty
light
peach, and so I have these peaches that I have put in a little bit of lemon juice. So right before you serve this, just to garnish it a little bit, just put a few peaches on there.
Those peaches slippery there, Grandma?
They are. I put lemon juice in them. On them. Now you can use fruit fresh, lemon juice, or orange juice. But it just makes a nice little decorative thing on top.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Where's Isaiah? He'll come eat the rest of your peaches.
Peach and applesauce
Jello.
Jello. Yep.
All right. Well, there you go. That was easy.
Mm-hmm.
Takes a little longer because you got to make the Jello ahead of time, but
yeah, it took about 45 minutes to an hour after I dissolved all that Jello. You have to make sure it's dissolved really good, and then in your 2 cups of hot water, and then my applesauce was cold because I had it in the fridge.
So there you go. All right, well, I'll post the picture here, or the recipe here in just a bit, but hope to see you guys Monday. It's looking to be beautiful. Yes, tomorrow and Sunday's what, in the 80s?
Yes.
But the Monday will be in the 70s, so it'll be a really nice fall day. Come out and get all the goodies.
And we still have lots of sunflowers they can pick.
Yep. Yeah, well, still, if you go out and do U-Pick, you can do U-Pick and sunflower with the same admission. So go on out there and have a good time. Get some pictures. The sunflowers are about probably another week on them. Then they'll be pretty much.
The big ones are kind of over with, but there's a lot of little ones.
Little ones
on the sides.
And the zinnias you and Grandpa planted are out there.
Yeah, they're just starting to bloom.
So, all right, everybody. Thanks for watching us. And we will be back next Thursday at 3 o'clock. Thanks.